That's my girlfriend in the van up there with the dogs. And we're heading out to the end of the log train trail for me to drop my car off. And then she's going to take me and the dogs back up to Coombs Country Candy. And it's 21 kilometers from there back to my car. We're at the drop-off point. Leave my car there, and we're gonna head around to Coombs Candy now. Rocco, no, come on, let's go. Anyways, we're at Coombs Candy, start of the log train trail. Gonna pace ourselves. A long ways to go. But I've pretty much just got this. I've hiked all of the parts of this before, but I've got it broken down mentally of the stages to go through. So it should be fine. I'm gonna pace myself, good steady pace, take plenty of water breaks, adjust my equipment. All right. So we're a couple clicks into this. No big deal so far, but anyways, what inspired me to do this was, out my living room or out my window, I look at the valley every day, and I spend a lot of time on the log train trail and that. And I always thought it'd just be be an interesting thing to do. Today is Good Friday, and I thought today would be a good Friday to go for that long hike I want to do, and like a rebirth. That's nice clear water. So yeah, I've been up to this part before. It's really nice waterfall up there. We're about 4 clicks in. This is kind of like a stage 1 for me to make it to here. And the motocross track there. Cut line, power lines near the motocross track. That's pretty nice right there. That looks like, I think it's a child's playhouse, but you could live in that thing, it looks like. That's Horn Lake Cave, or Horn Lake Trail in Lacey Lake. We rode the horse up there one time, about a year ago. Fun feature about Rocco thinks those are real bears. Fun feature about the log train trail. Yeah, it goes through this little community here. This is the only part though. Yeah, little bear cubs and the bear mama, eh? Anyway. Their old plow. Really cool driftwood bench. We got this nice ranch here. Heaven Sent Ranch. Lee and Gibson. Sweet. Nice place. Alright, so we've made it to the Yellow Gate. Stage 2. I call Stage 3 probably the railroad tracks. Or, yeah, probably the railroad tracks. We're probably, I'd reckon, about 6 clicks in, 6 or 7 clicks in. So that's the trail I led you guys up on, that movie I made called Up There, eh? And we're at the bottom of the turnoff here for the McLean Mill. Or head her up the Beaufort Range like we did. Anyways, we're probably about, I'd reckon about 8.5 kilometers in. Still doing stage 3 here. We're going to continue on to, there's a picnic table out there by Poplar Field. Probably seen that in one of my other movies too. And we'll just take a bit of a break there and push on to the train tracks after a little snack. Maybe remember that clear cut from my movie called Clear Cut. Sad man. So we've made it out to the picnic table. Gonna take a little break. Still feeling pretty good though, you know. Feet are fine, legs are fine. My attitude and spirit are fine. Feeling gung-ho still, so I have an apple and drink a bit of water, take a break, and then push on. Yeah. So we made it to the train tracks, end of stage 3. Now we just got to make it. There's a creek crossing. Quite a creek to cross out there, but that'll be fine. It's a good haul from here though. We're probably about 11 kilometers into it now, I reckon. This is a Mulcaster. If you've watched any of my other videos, you'd recognize this place. Absolutely beautiful. So we just had a drink from there the other day when we went up the goat trail. Nice. Onward. Heading for that creek crossing. Still got probably about 2-3 kilometers to that. Here we are at the end of stage 4. Probably about 14 kilometers out now. If you've seen my movie Creek Crossing, well, I crossed this creek about 20 times in that movie, but whatever. So today, yeah, we're on the final stage now. Probably about 7 kilometers left. Still feeling pretty good. But we got to get across this creek first, so let's do that. Oops. Let's go. Right. On to the final stage. Apparently this is the booby tree where women come to, I don't know, nail their bras to a tree. Yeah. Down to 5 kilometers now. Yep, last kilometer. Let's get her done. All right, so we made it. Back at the start of the log train trail. Yeah, I feel pretty good. Here we are, I've arrived at the objective. Feeling fit to fight. We're good to go.